In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag accounts in Sprout Social. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to effortlessly tag accounts and enhance your social media engagement through this powerful platform. Let's dive right into it and get started. First, begin by opening your preferred web browser. This means any browser you feel comfortable navigating, perhaps something like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. The clearer your browser of choice, the smoother your experience will be. Next, in the search bar of your browser, type Sprout Social and hit Enter. Sprout Social should appear as one of the top results. This platform is well known for its ability to help manage and optimize your social media presence. So, go ahead and click on the link to visit their website. Once you're on the Sprout Social homepage, look for the Sign In or Sign Up button. Click on the appropriate option depending on whether you already have an account. If you have an account, enter your login details. If not, you'll need to set up a new account, a straightforward process usually requiring your email and some personal details. After successfully logging into your account, it's time to compose a new post. To do this, look for the pencil icon or the button labeled Compose. This is your gateway to creating fresh content. Clicking on this will open up the post editor. Now, with the post editor open in front of you, go ahead and craft your message. Write your post copy with your target audience in mind. Perhaps you want to communicate an exciting announcement or share valuable insights. Alongside your text, consider adding visuals. Visuals not only catch the eye, but also increase the likelihood of your post being shared. Whether it's a vibrant image or an engaging video, adding a visual element can dramatically enhance your content. Once your post is ready and you're pleased with how it looks, the next step is to tag the appropriate accounts. Adding tags is crucial for reaching out to specific people or brands that might be interested in or associated with your content. Simply type the @ symbol followed by the account name you wish to tag. Sprout Social will present you with a list of possible matches as you type, simplifying the process of selecting the correct account. Finally, after you've added all necessary tags and made sure everything looks perfect, it's time to publish your post. Hit the Publish button, and your post will start reaching the wider audience you desire. Congratulations, you now know how to tag accounts in Sprout Social. By following these steps, you can engage more effectively with your audience and build meaningful connections. Happy posting, and remember, the more you share and interact, the more your social presence grows.